Most people only know the winning version. At 10 years old, Messi was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency. Without treatment, he would never grow properly. The injections he needed cost around $900 a month. His family could not afford it. Barcelona said, yes, we will pay for it. But the condition was simple and brutal. He had to come to Spain, alone, at 13. No parents in the house, no friends, no familiar street or voice or smell. Just a foreign city, a club that paid for his body, and zero promises about his future. And every single morning, he showed up to training anyway. Not because he felt ready, not because confidence was carrying him, because the bet his family made was too expensive to waste. That is the part nobody talks about. You do not need a perfect situation to build something real. You need one repeated decision in an uncomfortable room. Messi did not become the greatest because talent showed up. He became the greatest because he kept showing up.